Welcome everybody. This is the next tutorial for the Instituto Gandhi's English institutional program for the level 3. This is the video for the 5th grade. Today we're going to be reviewing the correct pronunciation and reading of the unit's reading, the Airbus A380. So please pay close attention, go grab your book and follow the reading with me, okay? Excellent. I'm gonna wait for you to go for the book. Oh, you're back. Okay, let's go. The Airbus A380. On April 27, 2005, the Airbus A380 took its first flight. People were very surprised. The A380 was huge. It was the largest passenger airplane ever. The A380 is still the largest. It weighs about 573,794 kilograms. It can carry between 525 and 853 people. The A380 has 4 jet engines. Each is the size of a bus. But the real question is, how fast can it go? The A380 has a top speed of 1,020 kilometers per hour. The average speed is about 900 kilometers per hour. How long would the A380 take to fly between New York and London, England? This is one of the most popular routes. The distance is 5,585 kilometers. You can calculate the amount of time it takes. Distance is speed multiplied by time. So time equals distance divided by speed. Then, if the A380 travels from New York to London at average speed, how long does it take? So, this is very interesting. This video is about mathematical operations, but they are introduced in the form of the story of the plane. If you have the correct answer, please send that to my email and you will get a congratulations email. Have a good one. Thank you very much for your time and attention, and I'll see you next time.